By first thief business na free turn, na one part the thing dem wey don dey plenty na salon. For sake of dis, boku pipu don ace plenty concern but dis kind way how the thief business don dey hard nowadays all over the country, and dis don make citizen dem dey ace concern say na the keke and okada man dem dey plan and do dem thief business here na free turn. People also dey ace concern but dem safety and security business na salon. True talk decide for talk to some people dem na treat and the one dem also wey dem don thief pan dem thief here so.
We dey beg no more to our government make it put the law for the make tell the police say dem no dey late or we dey comot late. So bike man wey dey comot na we house dey go na our office there. We dey drop phone, we dey comot stuff for company, we dey drive. Take to the same drivers dem back dey do am. Dey load businesswoman dey market. So away ready make like say the taxi go from Gandon. So whether businesswoman dey mistake comot wey say enter na run it run this market. You happen to have a friend wey dey God rich, you dey call am.
I'm really some that really but really everybody wey na real like man if you get bike on your own you no go dey find job back because like anybody wey see a job back go to real learn how they can learn bike cycle learn me wey go see fast business. Video can pay when you get bike for yourself. When I real bike, the bike, they don't bike will fix, you know the job back. We self-vended and feel. They come say some bike man, because even when you take passengers, side way you pass the track, go and be scared. But we serve the feedback, so we serve in the we can send the kind of people in there because. If you get ground say this person, that person, they do on this kind of job back, we will get the way to deal with them. So on a bad name to me. But in the other way, we serve the shots for them.
Madam Chris and im pikin na one part the people dem wey dem don thief pan and push pan keke.
So I comot for can do the business. As we reach by blue container, the driver will be the drive me come on at the speed lane, he can at this passenger lane. Now I tell the driver, and I say driver, I say but me I want go quick. I say why you come on at speed lane, you can at passenger lane. It would like to do something na in the car. I not done the talk there. Now the bike just come. I see the bike come, my car can't jog me back with the car and with me picking. With the other active to the other passenger will be the car. The driver not brake. Now then the speed. So then when me come inside the keke, I for them look at it, see the teeth time, look me face, the color the passenger look me for them, look me face. So I go for them, they left me, they then go, and then from that tower for them, so then me two shoulder they at me, I know they able to something, so until they at me. Okay, so the keke now. That was at what time? At about 4.
At about no 5. Because me, I was about to come.
Yeah, exactly. I don't care.
And junction.
Because plenty people don dey point hand pan bike man dem say na dem hand dey pan dem bad thief business here so. Good talk also try for talk to Emmanuel Tinabio wey na the talk man for the salon bike riders dem and e get this for say.
So we don't very much such thing no go happen and we missed or under we. My president Ishmael Sandi, he's very much when it comes to the area of security, thievery areas, we know they accept them, we decline anybody, and we prosecute anybody where we search activities in not get room or space for hide for perpetrate such activities, right? But one for making clearly to the general public that bike rider, any can be a bike rider. And we don't make for understand, say, some criminals or the criminals now, they go land this trade for perpetrate these thieving activities for just traffic, right? So we, as commercial motorbike riders, we are not into any such activities where they degenerate. We had any repetition for over the years, and we are commercial motorbike riders. We are not thieves, we are not criminals, we are legal hustlers. We hustle for we own, and we believe so we'll hustle with the get. Not to forget hijack or thief from people. We want to assure the general public say we are not party to that, and we dey stand tall like the Iroquois tree for make sure say we support the security apparatus for make we unearth those wey dey into this kind of bad practices wey want for discredit we hard earned repetition for over the years, right? We will make sure say we collaborate, we work assiduously with the security apparatus and the citizens of Sierra Leone for make sure say we tap these unfortunate activities where don't be perpetrated by some unknown Sierra Leoneans where a intolerable na we on society.
True talk also try for reach the police, but we not able get their own side. For True talk use, me own name na Emmanuel Muhammad Kamara, the report.